So we have explored a lot of options in Amazon Bedrock, but I want to show you a full end-to-end use case because the idea is that right now we've done everything in the console as a playground, but actually to use Bedrock, you need to implement your own code and do what's called API calls into Amazon Bedrock to invoke the features we just used and to build your application on top of Amazon Bedrock. And it's pretty cool because, well, there is an example that is provided by AWS, which is an interactive demo called the AI Stylist. So let's launch this demo because I want to show you what a final product would look like when it's backed by Amazon Bedrock. So here, this is an application that AWS has created that's going for you to generate looks based on your use case. So let's click on try free demo. And here we're going to find an outfit in less than 5 minutes, and we'll see all the Amazon Bedrock capabilities being used as part of the scenarios, and they should make sense to you. So let's start exploring. So here we have an AI stylist, and it's going to perform an outfit for us. So we start now, and we get the first message saying, hey, I'm your AI stylist. Let's find you an outfit that makes you feel comfortable and confident. So here we have the prompt saying, I'm a consultant, and I'm traveling to New York next week. What kind of outfit should I wear on my first day at the office? So you can't edit this at the moment, but you click on generate my look. And here, this explains how things are working behind the scenes. So we see that there is a customer prompt, and we see here that we have knowledge bases. And so a few knowledge bases have been created. We have one for the product catalog. This is all the private data we have within our company. We have fashion trends. This is a public data set. Order history, which is private data, and customer review, which is private data. But for this use case, only 2 knowledge bases are being used. And there's one thing that's using them. It's called an AI agent. Now, AI agent is a little bit more advanced. That's why we haven't seen them in details. But the idea is that AI agents are smart enough to query these knowledge bases and put things together. And so we have an agent for our product catalog, and we have an agent for image generation. And so this agent, based on the prompts you have, are smart enough to go into our knowledge bases, look at them, and then create the final content. So click on view your looks. And the AI stylist is saying, hey, I've selected 2 looks for you. There is a business formal and there is a business casual. And so the images are generated by AI, and the text generation is also generated thanks to what we have found in our knowledge base. So next we have a suggested prompt saying, hey, what do people like about the business formal jackets? And now the agent is smart enough to look again into our knowledge base, which is our customer review, and to say, well, people like the quality, color, and fabric. So it tells you there are 325 customer reviews, and it summarizes them in one thing. So again, from the AI standpoint, from the application standpoint, all these things happen behind the scene, but you as a user, you're just interacting with this AI. So now say, show me some specific reviews and talk about the jacket itself. And so again, the agent is going to go into your knowledge bases, find the product and find the review, and create this kind of outcome. Then what size should I wear? So we keep on chatting with it, and we'll say, well, based on your previous orders, because it has access to our previous orders, I suggest ordering size M. And okay, please add it to my cart. So now the agent is able to also modify the cart and add it. So this is very nice. And we can add more stuff to the cart. So again, it's going to do some back and forth with our knowledge base and also with our APIs to add some data into our cart. And then it's okay, this is the cart we have for you. Are you ready to finalize the order? Yes, click on finalize the order. And there you go, the order is being generated. And so this is pretty cool because, well, all of this is now a new way to interact with websites and with applications just thanks to AI. So we click on view cart, and here we go, we have the cart. It's going to be delivered to our address, and we know about the weather, so it's also recommending, for example, to add more stuff into our order. So this is quite cool, I think, because it really shows you how Bedrock is powering this demo. And now that we've seen all the stuff about Amazon Bedrock, this should make sense to you. So I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture.